Hey guys, so today I just built a simple agent that can fully research a person and make a connect message for LinkedIn. If you wanted to connect with more people or doing the LinkedIn cold message, you can use automation to get more connects or leads for you. So for example, I want to connect with this one person and I want them to be my leads or just fully connect with them as a friendship. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy the URL above on the LinkedIn, go into my Telegram and just completely paste the link. And then it's gonna be in seconds, there's gonna be a result that comes. There you go. So there's gonna be 3 results in here. Either you wanna go for the friendly short, which is to connect with them as a friend, or you wanna build a value with them and build a partnership, or you want them to be your leads, you can go for the curiosity hooks. Either way is fine. Now the automation will look like this. It's a quite simple automation and we'll go through it one by one. So the first step is what we're going to do is the set node. Basically, this will represent yourself. This is everything about you that the AI will check on you. For example, what is your name, what is your role, headlines, blah blah blah. Basically, you need to put every single details about you, what you do, what your history, so that the AI have more and more better understanding about you. So the second one is basically a Linkup web search. What it does is basically do a research on the person that you sent just now. In the query itself, so the query looks like this. It inputs the LinkedIn URL and it will find comprehensive and recent information about this person and their own company. You can change this query, but this is mainly just the research about the person and what he owns at the company and what he does at the company itself. And then there's a depth, which is quite the most important one. You can change into a standard or you can change into the deep search. So either it's standard or either it's deep. So if you want a standard one, it will research about the standard things, what they do recently. But if you want a deep, it will goes outside of the LinkedIn and it will do full research on the person that you want to check on them. Keep in mind that the deep research has more slower system, so it takes around 1 minute to do a deep research. And then also there's a from date. Basically, you don't want to gain really old information. You want to do and get the earliest information that you want to get. You can get the from date. After that, it will goes into the third node. Basically, this is an AI that generates the personalized image. In here, we are going to use a Cloud for Sonnet, and this is going to make a prompt in this with the prompt of the user message. This is target info. This is the user, everything about you and your result, and it will write 3 LinkedIn connection notes with variants in different tones using only details target info and 300 characters for the LinkedIn connect message, that one personal. And there's is a 3 variants as well in here with the return of JSON format. After that, the whole prompt for the person is to write short LinkedIn connection note with a style and avoid buzzword, long explanation. Basically, this is used for connect with the person itself, making a personalized connect note. But if you want to make a leads or offer your services or products, you can change the prompt in this expression in here. So we're going to the last node, which is the code node. What it does basically is just clean up and format the AI result so you can have better formatting, so you can input in the Telegram messages. So that just purely sent to the Telegram messages and just formatted for 3 different type of messages. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test the speed of the depth and the normal standard research about the person. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to execute, and in our Telegram we are going to try and paste this. We can check in the n8n itself. It will does a Linkup web search. This is the standard one. It does take some time. Now the AI has been generated. Now it has been sent into the Telegram. So you can see the result is here. Now let's check out the speed of the automation itself. Now speed takes 23 seconds to succeed. Now we're going to try and evaluate the difference between the standard and the deep research. Right, we're going to deep, save, and we're going to pin the result. We're going to pin the input, Try and connect it. Now the Linkup is searched. Now let's see the result difference. Yeah, so in the result, if you're going for the standard one, it will give a leads curiosity hook, while if you go for the deep, it will comment in the conversation before going into what you're offering today. So now let's see the speed of this. It took 1 minute, which basically is quite long, 30 seconds differences between the standard one. So the standard one has better result if you want to directly offer your product or services, but the deep one is more in engaging conversation with the person itself. If you want this automation for free, you can message me on LinkedIn and I'll send it to you right away. Thank you guys.